How to fix ChatGPT not creating images. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT. As you can see, I am having error creating images. So simply click on pencil-like option at the top right, which is beside three dots. Simply click on it and the new page will open. After your new page is open, simply again ask to create image. It may solve your problem. If this does not solve your problem, go back. Simply delete this app from the tab and then open ChatGPT again and try it. If this does not work as well, go to Play Store, search ChatGPT and make sure there is no update available. If there is update available, simply download it. After that, simply open the app and you're good to go. This is how to fix ChatGPT not creating images. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.